Hello guys, I am with ASUS Zenfone 6 and I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So open the settings. Now we have to go to the sound and vibration, scroll down, and our Do Not Disturb mode is here. As you can see, it's turned off, so click here and just click on this marker to turn it on. And of course you can also manage all of the stuff, so calls, messages, notification, and you can also set the schedule, as you can see. So it's pretty cool feature in this device. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.